If you're looking for your nearest Y-strap doctor, just visit my website, drjosephcipriano.com. Click the tab locations and you'll be able to find doctors that perform the Y-strap adjustment near you. And if you're a fellow chiropractor out there watching and you use the Y-strap also, visit the site, find out how you can be listed on here as well. So coming from Charlotte.
Yes.
So what is going on?
So basically, back in end of 2016, I had like an injury. So I had like back spasms, and they come randomly, like they come and go.
Okay.
I work more so sitting down. I work at a call center, so I'm more so sitting down. Some days I have to more so lean to this side to take the pressure off of this side.
Okay.
When I'm driving, my back hurts. I have a pillow on my back. Majority for the lower back portion. Yesterday, I think it might have been more so muscles pulling maybe, but when I got up, like as soon as I got up out the bed, like as soon as I went to stretch this arm, like I felt all of this back here like sore immediately. I had to like stretch throughout the whole day just to get it to stop. I mean, basically that's the gist of it. I mean, It's been going on for a while. I just want to see if maybe something, and then the neck pain, like I'll have, with my neck pain, I'll more so have something like right here.
Okay.
And it's like a ball. When you rub it, the ball kind of goes down and just spreads. It doesn't feel like it's more so helping. It feels like it's spreading around a little bit more so.
Okay.
But it never goes away. And then I'll have like a tension up here. But then I'm glasses wearer, so I try to wear my contacts majority of the time to see if that relieves some of the pressure. Sometimes it still does the same thing. So
pressure, like headache-wise, migraine-wise, or just pressure?
Pressure, okay. Not so much of headache-wise. Sometimes it does lead into a headache. Sometimes it doesn't. It just depends.
Okay. My gosh.
Yeah.
How long has this all been going on for?
It's off and on since like 2016.
Okay, so
just off and on.
Off and on for 4 years now.
Oh, and also whenever I step, some days if I step on this leg, it shoots a pain up my back, if that makes sense.
Does it, like, do you feel it in like a certain toe or anything like that?
No, it's just like if I go to step, it'll shoot up directly through here.
Okay.
But other than that, it's like, I don't feel like in a specific toe or anything.
Okay. And I see you've never been to a chiropractor?
And then I probably should have. I used to work at Freightliner. I'm not sure if you were familiar. We had one that they, we could go to, but I never went. Yeah.
Gotcha.
It was get up early or sleep in till it's time to work, and I think I was more so sleeping in person. So, yeah.
Okay. Let me have you stand up. Bend forward at the waist for me. What do you feel with that? Any pain, tenderness, tightness, pulling?
Just a little pressure right here, but other than that, nothing.
Okay, come on up. Go back for me like that. Any issues there?
Just pressure in the same area, going like in that lower area.
Okay, and then come back to like midline. Yep. Lean into each side.
Yep, that same area there.
Okay.
But other than that, nothing.
All the way up for me. All the way down. Any issues with that?
It's like when I look down, I can feel something pulling right here.
Okay. Go into the sides.
The pull's here. And the same thing on the other side.
Same thing. Okay. And if you rotate over either side?
Same difference.
Same.
It's more so like pulling here.
Okay. Alright. Let me have you lay face down on the table. Just rest right there. If it smells like bleach,
it's cool. It's fine. I was hoping it smelled like bleach.
With the everything coronavirus, I've upped the game from the organic cleaning to straight on bleach.
That's fine. At least you were able to find some.
Alright, yeah, just rest. Okay. How'd that feel?
Interesting.
Alright, we're gonna start right up top here. Let me have you take a deep breath in and out. One more time, deep breath in and out. Let me have you sit up on the table for me. Bring one leg on either side.
Right.
How was that? That was what, first adjustment ever?
Yes. Feels good though. I feel like it loosened up my neck.
Good. Bring that arm up and over. And then bring, that one up and over. Good. We're gonna rotate you like this.
Oh, okay.
You can relax your arms. Okay, and I'll have you lay face down again for me. So I want you to raise your right leg for me first, as high as you can. Any pain or tenderness with that?
Just on the other side.
Okay, on this side?
Yeah.
Alright, relax this leg. Now I want you to raise the left one up. How does that one feel?
It's more so, it's not painful, but I can feel it in the middle.
Okay. So the left one, I don't know if you noticed, but the left one actually did go up higher than the right one here. So what I'm gonna do first, actually let me get you to drop down like maybe an inch on the table. Perfect. I'm gonna have you cross your right foot over your left foot. Good. Uncross. Okay. And then I'm gonna have you bend that knee. And one more. Okay. Let me have you raise that right leg up again. How'd that feel?
I don't feel the pressure as much on the other side anymore.
Okay. Still looks like, relax. Still seems like you're struggling a little bit there.
I can feel it.
So a little less pressure is a good thing, but still struggling. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna have you lay on your side facing that way. Bring this up. Good. Perfect. I'm gonna just bend this knee. There we go. Slide a little bit towards me. Perfect. Yeah, just like that. Good. And then I'm gonna have you flip to the other side.
Don't crack everything. Ooh.
There it was.
Yep, that was it.
Lay on your back for me, please. Okay. So from here, we're gonna do those leg pulls. I just want you to relax. Let me have control here. Come on up. Come forward. Perfect. And bring one arm up. Yeah, bring the other one up. Okay. Take a deep breath in. And exhale out. Good. Alright, let your hands just rest. Perfect.
Oh, Lord.
And now we're going to use the Y strap here. Lift up. And down. So with this, we're just going to decompress the spine.
Shit. Sorry. I forgot this was recorded. Oh my gosh. Hush, Monet.
Deep breath in and out. What did you feel?
I feel like everything just stretched. Yeah, I feel like everything from like my mid back up just like stretched out. It feels really good. Like we should have made her wait in the car.
Relax your head. Come on up. Good. And relax right there.
I actually feel like I got an upper back now.
How do you feel?
I'm good. Oh. And I'm still trying to pop. I don't need to pop nothing else. It actually feels good, to be honest.
Yeah, let me have you stand up.
Right. It actually feels good, like I don't need to do anything. But I still just, when I just did this, is it supposed, well, I'm pretty sure that's not anything that you did. Whenever I stretch, does it usually pull one of these muscles up here if you try to stretch to the side?
Yeah, how you doing? Oh, yeah.
Okay. So I can feel that side more than I can feel the other side. But other than that, everything's good. And I actually feel like I don't need to crack my neck anymore.
Good.
Right, she always be getting me like,
yeah, I hate when she does that. Oh
like you're always cracking your neck. Oh, this feels good.
This is how you should be feeling all the time.
That's good. Hopefully, when I go back to work, it's gonna feel the same way. Oh, okay, that's good. That's a good thing. So, quick question.
Yeah.
How often would I have to get these? If I mean, as needed, or I sent that in a message one time. So technically, with this one today, is there a specific time limit that I would need to come back to try to get another one done, or just when it wears off?
Well,
Or I period?
I like to shoot for about 4 times a year.
4 times? Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
so about every 3 months is what I like to shoot for. Now, granted, if anything was to happen,
Something.
of course, you can email or text.
Okay.
Always texting goes right to a business cell phone.
Okay.
Best way to get a hold, and I'll be able to get you in if need be.
Okay.
I would say on average, a lot of people kind of follow that 4 times a year. I'll get some people maybe like twice a year.
Okay.
I know at least you guys are Charlotte, so it's not
Right.
like too far.
Right, it's close.
You know, but you know, when I get people from like way up north, you know,
They
if I get them in
Nice.
once a year and then follow up with like a local, local doc, you know, completely good with that. But yeah, you guys aren't too far. I would say roughly about 4 times a year, because I know this is your first time ever getting
Right.
adjusted.
Most definitely.
So now you can feel the difference.
Right, and then I'm gonna see how the actual difference is on this ride home, because that's gonna be the deuce in me sitting in this chair all the way home without this pillow. Oh, well, thank you so much. It was good to meet you. You do adjustments on pregnant women also?
Of course I do.
Oh, look at you.